Listen, I know what it feels like to not believe in yourself. You stand in front of the mirror and all you see are the flaws. The messy hair, the pimples, the weight you don't like, the awkward way you laugh. And in your head, you're like, man, how am I supposed to be confident looking like this? But here's the truth. Confidence isn't about looking perfect. It's not about being the loudest person in the room or having the best body or having everybody clap for you. Confidence is simply saying, yeah, I got flaws, but I still deserve to be here. I still got value. See, when you were a baby learning to walk, you fell. You fell 100 times. And nobody told you you suck at walking. Nah, your parents clapped. They cheered every little step. That's what confidence is built on: falling, trying again, and celebrating the progress. But the problem is, when we get older, the cheering stops. People judge more, clap less. So if you want confidence, you gotta be the one clapping for yourself. Here's the thing, confidence is a skill, not some gift you're born with. It's like a muscle. You gotta work it every single day. Start small. Speak up once in a meeting. Hold eye contact for 5 seconds longer. Do the thing you've been avoiding. Every little win stacks up, and before you know it, you walk different, you talk different, you carry yourself different. And let me tell you something powerful. Confident people aren't the ones who never mess up. They're the ones who mess up, own it, and keep moving. You trip, you laugh it off. You fail, you learn, and go again. That's real confidence. Owning your story instead of hiding from it. So stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for someone to hype you up. Hype yourself. Gas yourself up the way you would your best friend. Look in the mirror, and instead of saying, I'm not enough, say, I am enough. I've always been enough. Because the most confident people you look up to, they're not better than you. They just decided to believe in themselves first, and you can make that choice today. So the next time you hear that little voice in your head doubting you, remember this: you don't need to be perfect to be confident. You just need to show up as yourself, flaws and all, and own it. That's when the world starts to take you seriously. And once you believe in yourself, that energy, it's contagious. People feel it, they respect it. And most importantly, you finally start respecting yourself. So yeah, confidence isn't something you wait for, it's something you build every single day. And today is the perfect day to start.